Okay, when you arrive at the website, this is what you're going to see, and you're going to go here where it says Start. You're going to click Start. You're going to go to Choose File. You're going to go to wherever you have your file saved, and you're going to select the image that you want to use and want to grid. You're going to click Open. Check to make sure this is the image that you wanted, and then you're going to click Next. If you need to rotate the image because it's going horizontal and it should be going vertical, you can click rotate left or right. Mine was in the right spot, so I'm just going to click back around to the correct form, and then I'm going to click Next. From here, it allows you to crop your image if you need to. If you do not need to, you're just going to click Next. I am going to crop this, so I'm going to click Crop Image. And it's going to give me these crosshairs. I am going to select the portion that I want. I think right about there will be good. You can view it, make sure that's correct. If you want to say I wanted to make this a little bit longer, I can make that a little bit longer. And maybe this a little bit shorter. So I'm going to go for there. I'm going to go back up here to Crop Image and click Crop Image. It will crop it to where you asked for it to crop it to. Then you're going to click Next. Okay, and since you were doing pencil drawings, I'm going to recommend that you change this, go to where it says Saturation, minus, and you're going to click that. And you're just going to keep clicking it until it's going to take it to a black and white version of your image. Okay, at this point, if you need additional contrast, you can do that. I'm going to increase the contrast just a little bit. I think that's a little bit better. Maybe not. I'm going to kind of play with it. I think I'm going to keep it where it was initially. And then I'm going to click Next. And this is where it comes to your squares. This is the important part. Okay, so first off, it's good to have whole complete squares across. So I have 5 across. I'm going to count down. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would give me a 5 by 7 inch paper. Okay, if your drawing paper is going to be larger than that, or you have a different amount of boxes on your paper when you draw your grid on your paper, you can go up here to however many boxes wide it is and select how many boxes wide. If you are doing an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, which is standard paper size, I'm going to go ahead and go to 8 across. Okay, I'm going to keep it red because that way I can see the lines on the black and the white. 2 pixels is a good size. I'm going to click Apply Grid. Now you'll see that I don't have a whole box up here on top, but that's okay. Now I'm going to count down to see how many long I am, which hopefully it's about 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Perfect. So I am 8 across, 11 down, which means I'm just going to have a 1/2 inch down my side, which is helpful because then you can label your grid there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click Download. That is going to download the picture to your computer. You can open it up. Here you go. If you have access to a printer, you can print that out. Otherwise, you can use it right off of your computer. That's not a problem. But now you're going to go ahead and you're going to upload this photo to Google Classroom. Go ahead and keep the title in here where it says Art Tutor Grid Pick, so that way I know what it is. But that will help me when you need help with your drawing. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.